One of the things I'm always trying to do is create intimate spaces that people want to be in, and one of the easiest ways to do that is with light. I really feel like this lamp, the Freccia lamp, creates that intimate light that everybody wants when they're, sort of gathered around and having a conversation, having a few drinks. One of the things that I noticed was that there was sort of a lost art of, the floor lamp. If you look at the kind of market today for floor lamps, there's not a lot of really great products. And I think, this lamp embodies a lot of what's great about sort of classic mid-century products that, people made for this purpose, but kind of takes a modern spin on that topic, and has a lot of movement in the shape, a lot of organic materials. The wood is very lustrous and very compelling. It's essentially indestructible, should last forever if you take care of it. And when you pair it with sort of modern technology or the modern smart bulbs, you get all this amazing control over the quality of the light. That you can dim it, you can turn it on and off from your smartphone. You can make very subtle color changes or very radical color changes, and really kind of tailor the light to your mood and to the space. And from that point of view, I think it brings together what was great about some of those classic designs and some of the things that we can do now with sort of modern technology into one really interesting product.